49 years old Lei lives in Yingnan Community with a population of 4,000 people in Wuhan Province of China. Lei, his wife, daughter and old mom live in 17th floor of a tower. Lei's family was the first family who was diagnosed with COVID-19 in this small community. On January 19th, Lei and his wife started having fever. 5 days later, on 24th of January, Lei and his wife visited Wuhan Pulmonary Hospital to have a chest scan. They couldn't get their scan results soon. They had to wait. 49 years old Lei's wife was feeling really sick. While they were waiting for their chest scan results, he had to take care of his sick wife and his old mom, who is in her 70s. Lei sent her daughter to stay with her friends so that she would be safe. Lei's daughter stayed with her friends. She called her parents every day, witnessed how their physical and mental conditions were deteriorating. She wanted to come home to look after them. Parents said no. They didn't want her to get infected. She used to seek advice from her medical student friends and then tell her parents what medicine to take to make them feel better. 4 days after their visit to the hospital, on 28th of January, Lei and his wife's conditions got worse. Lei couldn't even get out of bed. He had a high temperature, was constantly sweating and non-stop coughing. Lei's wife's temperature was rising quite dramatically. It reached to 39.8 degrees centigrade. They were still not diagnosed. They're supposed to be immediately quarantined. Medical resources in Wuhan, first days of outbreak, was extremely scarce. 5 days after their visit to the hospital, on 29th of January, they were diagnosed with COVID-19. They were immediately hospitalized. The building they were living was disinfected by local council. People who might have been in contact with the family in the last few days were informed and asked to get tested. Doctors from a local hospital visited their home to check Lei's old mom's temperature. She was okay. Luckily, Lei's wife's condition got better soon, and on 1st of February, she was let go and live in self-isolation with Lei's mom at their home. Soon after, Lei's temperature went down thanks to treatment he received from local hospital. His results were negative. Even though he still had a mild cough, Lei recovered from virus and left the hospital on 7th of February. This was the true story of 49 years old Wuhan resident Lei and his battle with COVID-19 virus.